We got to know each other first because we were in the initial. Well, we had your little
you
boy,
had our
didn't we?
little boy, and we came.
It was meant to be a night. We had him about 3 months.
And then we came. And I can remember coming to your house.
Yeah.
And the first time I met him, he was
Gorgeous
sitting there
little thing.
watching Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
We was obsessed with, and it was just from there, wasn't it?
So
and then,
we used to meet when they first all went in together. We'd meet every week, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which I think set up a good sort of bond then, and obviously you've come in a bit later, but it's great because the kids are used to all of us meeting up, and that's how we met, isn't it? Through
and we sort of
that
keep it alive
weekly-
now with the WhatsApp group, don't we?
Yeah,
So like we
absolutely.
can keep up to date, like we'll post photos if the kids are doing anything.
Yeah,
so
it's really lovely.
see.
So if your little boy, if he does something, it's like we're all like, yay, send a message back, and then same with ours and yours. And
No, it's been fantastic having the support, do you know what I mean? Being able to ask the questions.
Yeah.
Because you understand all of them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not just the
It's
individual
4
child.
years now.
Yeah.
That's a lot. 4 years is a lot in a child's life, isn't it? And I think it's just other people. What's amazing and fascinating is how you get similar behaviours, and then we'll be talking about, because we have the carers group. Was that every 2 weeks?
Yeah, the coffee morning.
Yeah, the coffee morning. I'm virtual now, and then something will be said, and you'll be like, "Oh my God, I've noticed that as well."
Yeah.
And then you can sort of open up the discussion, and it's not only you don't feel alone, but you're understanding this is coming from way back. Early trauma and early, attachment stuff. But they're all lovely, lovely kids, aren't they?
They are.
They're so lovely and so talented and creative and lively and funny.
And they all look forward to seeing each other, when we all do meet up,
Yeah.
Like the boy that we've got, he's just so excited now for his birthday to know that he's going to see siblings, have a fun day, go to the pool. So it's lovely.
When we went to the Easter party recently, as soon as our little one came in, it was like, my brothers, my sister, and it's like run up, and it's sort of, it's as if they live together. It's natural.
Yeah, it's really important, isn't it?